over here, as you can see, the name is Cozumel. Can you say Cozumel?
It's really far.
Chill Beach. This is really pretty. This is a chill beach. And then there's a family beach. This is really pretty. You can paddleboard, there's kayaks, beautiful shady areas, lots of trees, lots of greenery, umbrellas, restaurant in the background. This is the chill beach, and then we're gonna go to the family beach. Refreshment station, a dock. Now we're moving to family beach. Oh, there's a playground. Simon, I think there's a really cool playground. I mean, this is really awesome. Wow, look at that. We'll check that out later, Simon, okay? Yes. We're definitely looked at the playground on the map. We can use them. There's chess. They have hammocks all around. This place is huge. This is the spa.
Right here with my coworker Leo, 11:30. Aquí con mi compañero Leo a las 11:30.
It looks lovely. You can get spa. This is not included. And the included tequila experience will be here at 11:30. They have mango tequilas, coconut tequilas.
Exclusivo para nuestro grupo. So please don't go anywhere. Try to be on the sun.
So they assigned us area.
Okay?
This is our
Make everything
area
ready. Okay?
for our cruise. There is internet. It's free to use. You don't even need a passport. So you can actually use all kinds of different areas. They assigned us here because it's just easier to keep everything with the group. But he said we can use the family beach, the chill beach. It's just very spread out, but it's we can kind of use whatever chairs we want.
It's a little rocky. Oh, just stay there, son.
This is the restaurant. It's about to storm. Fruit bar. Coffee station. Got high chairs for kids. Chicken nuggets. chili beef, Mexican rice, fried beans, pasta, burritos. Oh, and chicken quesadillas. Real waves, a little strong because it's stormy. The beach right here is nice and sandy, but as you get in, it's a little rocky, so bring water shoes. It does get sandier over there. This is a performance podium stage. They do have performances. There's a schedule multiple times a day. There's also lifeguard on duty at the beach. Walking towards the kids' playground. They have speakers throughout the property playing nice Mexican authentic music. They have a bike path, but you have to go with a guide on the bike path because of the tram. The bike for adults is $20, and for a child age 8 years and above is $10. It's very zen with lots of palm trees, lots of greenery, a gorgeous beach. And this is the playground. It's really nice, it's shaded. This is the family beach, and then there's a chill beach and kind of like a regular beach. There is a VIP area, not sure how much that cost. I don't think you really need it. This playground's really nice. Slides for younger kids. It's wet because it rained.
Mommy, do you used to play hockey? I mean, golf?
Oh, ping pong, table tennis, no. But Yeto did. Table tennis, this is for older kids. He did. A slide. Yes, in just a second. And look at this giant chest. And a climbing wall. It's a little kitchen area. Play kitchen. You can sit here. You can pretend like you're making food. So you are from the family MDXX. Okay,
We're from Jalisco State.
Uh-huh.
Jalisco State is on the Pacific side of Mexico. That's where we are from, and it's the only place that we're allowed to produce tequila worldwide. If somebody tells you that there's factories of tequila right here in Cozumel, Cancun, Tijuana, New York, China, or other places that is not Jalisco State, they're lying to you. We actually call it spirit drinks. That is just four in the world. Champagne, France. Cognac, France. Bourbon, Kentucky, United States. Tequila has to be made only in Jalisco, Mexico.
Oh, that's
to give a
really
short version of the
interesting.
whole process, what makes the difference between these tequilas to the ones we already know, just the age of blue agave. You know, vacation, nobody knows.
So the longer it's in the barrel, the darker it is, and the most expensive one, which we're gonna taste, has been in the barrel for 17 years, and it's like $400 in the US or here. So this is 17 years in
This
the
is
barrel.
the 17
The
years
most
old,
expensive,
the most expensive one.
40% alcohol. This is thousands of dollars in Europe.
85 US. Something like this in States, in Canada, in Europe, it will be no less than $3,000 or $4,000. Like I say,
Shoulders, knees, toes.